Hello everyone. This is a screencast of how to create and use Trello. This website is an important tool to keep up to date with different projects and assignments that you may partake in. By understanding Trello, you will be able to communicate with everyone in MPS. First, you will need to open up a browser and navigate your way to the Trello site. To start, create an account. After this video, you will create your own account. Here is where you go for this. Since I already have an account, I will be logging in. As you can see, you can have a multitude of boards. To create a board, go to the plus sign at the top right corner. Create board, and you can name the board whatever title or project you are working on currently. For now, we'll just put tutorial. Within a board, you can add a list. Just click Add Another List and add whatever you'd like, such as do, doing, done. You can make as many lists as you like. Within a list, you can add a card. Here, you can add specific tasks to your card. You can also click on your card to add even more information. Say you have a shoot coming up, you can create a card that is specific to that shoot. Within a card, you can also add members and add a checklist, and so on to keep all of your information together. At the beginning of your mini assignment after you set up your Trello account, you will be adding Jenna Polk to your board. So click the invite button and add her email address, and she will be sent an invite to join your board. This is so she can view and contribute to your board. To add people to specific cards, just click on the card and add members. Now they know they are able to contribute to this assignment. If you have been added to a card and want to offer some advice or extra help, you can comment on the cards. This offers encouragement or just advice that the owner of the board will be able to look at. If you want to get someone's attention, you can tag them, just like social media. This grabs their attention and lets them know that they need to view the card as soon as possible. Then they can comment back and/or tag others. These are the basics of Trello. There are also other features such as power-ups that are on the side, which you could use such as Google Drive, but if you ever need them, Jenna Polk will let you know. Until then, please create a Trello account and follow the instructions on how to create your own task list. Have a nice day and good luck!